Excuse me. I'm sorry. I was just trying to get in a little prayer for our paper hand friends. I'm so sorry, and I'll tell you what it was all about in just a moment. But before we get started, if you would like, subscribe, and or share our channel with your family and friends. This is the Crypto Bootcamp channel. I'm Earl Spate. I'm at the helm here, bringing you information and content on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Today, we're going to talk about paper hands. Paper hands describes an individual who invests in cryptocurrencies when the market is good, and when things don't quite go their way, they sell their assets at a loss. Yes, yes, there are people who do not quite have the patience to see it through until the market returns in their favor. One guy that I really do a lot of research and I do a lot of listening to is Richard Hart. And I encourage you to study Richard Hart, get to know him. He's at Richard Hart Win on Twitter. He says that the impatient pays the patient. Don't be paper handed. Be a diamond hands. You know what a diamond hands is? A diamond hands is an individual who holds on to cryptocurrencies and assets for long periods of time with an intention to come out of it at a specific point of time. And or that diamond hand individual does not sell assets at a loss because the market may be at a downswing. So, when you get into cryptocurrencies, don't be a paper hands. And if you want to learn how to not be a paper hands, attend our boot camp on January 28th of 2023 at 1106 Gorman Street at the McKimmon Center in Raleigh, North Carolina. We'll be teaching all aspects of cryptocurrencies. So remember, don't be a paper hands. This is Earl Spate signing off from the Crypto Boot Camp. Take care.